Welcome to another day with welcome to another video that day on the video. So I hope you enjoy watching this. So you may have seen on nearly the last video. Last video was epic mini games. Today we did testing a few rides on this tiny little area. Well, it's not that tiny. Of 99 guests, nearly 100. Not yet now. So all these. So now I am going to make a bit more, stuff. Oh, and I'm gonna just tell you, I have one. So there's two annoying brothers and one that isn't annoying. So
put it back on charge.
So done.
Put it back on charge.
So now, and there's either gonna be like, that's the elder brother that's talking, that's saying, put it on charge, and the younger brother is doing nothing. So now, and Arthur, my brother that is not annoying, is gonna do anything. My two brothers that are not annoying, and are gonna talk, but not that annoyingly. But they nearly don't talk. And my elder brother, that is the annoying one, is gonna talk, I think, and he isn't annoying. So, in the background, if you hear a sound, it would either be my brother's or TV. Or the TV. So my brother's just talking to me, saying, I'm whispering it, but I can. My brother's just being annoying and being a bit rude, like he always is. So he's saying you're banned from the cave, the man cave, and he's saying get out, but it's actually Dad, so he doesn't tell me what to do. Ha ha ha. So, let's have a good time. Come on, I wanna go. Yes. Well, actually, I don't. My brother's too. There's my brother, the amazing boy 11, doing a roller coaster up there.
No, that's the wrong line.
Oh, that amazing boy 11. He just deleted it all.
Yeah, because that was a little bit wrong.
Yeah, I know. It wasn't a consequence. I don't like that. It's not a consequence. It's just saying I deleted it all. You deleted it all. My brother's being a bit mean. So don't subscribe to his channel, and if you did, and I know you wouldn't, and you didn't, and his channel is Dante Dickinson Jones. Dante Toy. And his name is Dante. And
my name is Jenny.
Is his name Dante? Yeah, his name is Dante. And he's 10.
No, 11.
Isn't he 10? But he's 11 this year. Okay, he's a very. So I thought my brother's still. I'm just playing around in my theme park while my brother's doing all the hard work.
Yes, you're saying it.
What the? Why did you make the name that? What? Why did you make So, I'm gonna name it, or the spinning machine, I just said the tin, the spinning machine. Machine, that's the name. It's already open. Why is that like that? Did you name the theme park that? Dido.
And you can change colour as well.
I know.
And change price.
Yeah.
I hate this dude. I hate this dude.
My brother's being a bit rude, so he's talking in the middle of the video, and he's saying he's playing this game and saying, I hate this video. Okay, I'm gonna go and check out the roller coaster that my brother is making. So.
Oh, he really scored. Oh, can he score? Can he score? Can I win? Can I win?
Ignore my brother in the background, he's being rude.
How is that being rude?
Yeah,
You're not allowed to go in my GoPro.
Nobody even cares. So my brother's being very rude. So I'm just checking out the vid. I mean not the vid. We're doing a vid right now. The what's it called again? The roller coaster. My brother is a bit tired of doing the roller coaster, aren't you?
Yeah.
But this is my first roller coaster.
Yeah, she doesn't even know how to build one.
Yeah.
She's 1 year old.
I'm not. How am I talking then? Wow. Come on, quickly, Mike.
You're on the roller coaster.
Yeah, I'm on the roller coaster when he's making it. I wish you guys could see DJ scream.
I wish you could see my screen because I'm on
One more.
Yeah, can I do it? Can I win?
Ignore my brother in the background. He's being, because he doesn't like me doing stuff, and he doesn't want me to send it, so that's what he's doing. And he's being a mean guy.
We're allowed to ban any DJ. Yes, we're allowed. Remember that say we can ban any girls.
So I would give this.
Dancing Lane.
So let's see what's going for. Now, I want to think about the word mouse coaster.
No.
Look, I'm here.
No. You'll get off it, see, he's done. Ooh. No, you can go in. No.
Go on.
Thank you. Pass it. Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Sorry, we have to delete your first video on that. I'm not.
Wow, this guy has been talking to me a lot. He's like saying, come to my roller coaster.
Don't
I am if you go on have to go the right.
Oh yes.
The right.
Oh, yeah.
My park is at Tunham. Where are you? Hi, oh my god. What is this? Beautiful good girl 7. Come on.
Bendy and the Devil's Wing. Yes, it's done.
Okay. My brother is
Basically, Bendy's done. That took me a long time.
Because you know. Yeah. Yay! Oh, let's test it. Let's test it.
No. We can't. Oh. 1-1. Can you make it 2?
Come on, let's test it.
Test it then. Gavin, bye. Wait till you go.
Ooh.
Wait till you go.
Okay.
No, please make it. Bendy and English. Yes. It's gonna work. I know it's gonna work. Yes, you're going down.
Darn it. Doniro is on his iPad, but phoning Bendy from Bendy and the ink machine.
Perfect.
Wait, no, not open yet. It's still testing.
That's the one there.
Now close it.
No.
So now, can you do the entrance, please?
Okay. Where shall I do it though?
Anywhere where it's allowed to be. So my brother is doing still. No, not there. Don't start it there. I'll show you.
No. Up there. How would they even get there?
No, not there. I'll show you.
Just do your own one.
So
You don't have to do a Morris roller coaster for us. I can't do it there.
Okay.
I can't do the entrance. No, where's the ride? Where's the ride? What you doing?
Wow, you nearly took all of my extra plot.
That's the wrong ride. What ride? The roller coaster that I just built. Roller coaster. Do you want me to teach you how to build a roller coaster? No.
I think I know how to do it.
It's because you saw me doing it, isn't it?
So, guys, we're still we were just being a bit quiet. So, no, let me just go in it. Wait, what? It's not even going. Sign it to testing.
By the way, we're at our dad's.
Yeah, our dad's house is brilliant. It's very big.
And it's like posh.
It's not that posh. It's not that posh.
Really, it's man cave, but there's a girl in it. One girl.
Yeah, that's Mim.
We're allowed to band her.
Nah.
Yes, we are.
So, guys, we will. So, guys,
You have to end the video. Oh, I have to start it here. Okay.
So my brother is like, I have to start.
I can't. Maybe. Definitely not. What's this beautiful girl 7? Mara, you're not 7 no more, you're 8.
I'm 7. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. We didn't have enough time to do the entrance for this roller coaster, and it took very long to do the roller coaster. Bye guys. Hope you enjoyed watching, and don't subscribe to Dante Toys. That